Hello, my name is Ryan, and welcome to ET2's Installation Spotlight. Today we are going to highlight key installation notes for stem-hung fixtures. Let's get started.
We will use the Rubric collection as our model to showcase stem installation.
The Rubric comes with a 6-inch stem ready to install. The fixture also comes with 3 additional 12-inch stems. To install additional stems, you'll have to remove the electrical wire from the driver and canopy.
First, remove the mounting bracket from the canopy, then pull out the driver, and you will notice the pendant's low voltage wires connected to a terminal block, which is linked to the driver. Disconnect the pendant's wires from the terminal block and pull the wires through the canopy. At this point, you can add stems by guiding the wires through the opening.
Now that you have all your additional stems attached, you want to feed it back in through to the canopy.
Now, you will want to reconnect the low voltage wires to the terminal block. Take the red low voltage wire and match it to the red wire on the terminal block. Do the same thing with the black wires. Make sure all connections are tight and secured.
Hold wires taut as you thread the stems together so they do not become twisted and short out the fixture.
Now you're ready for install.
Many of our pendants are stem hung and would follow this instruction on how to add stems.